4 days of exam is remaining. Many of the topics you have to revise, so many concepts you have to revise, you have to do the PYQs. So this kind of pressure is giving, thought block, and it is a risk to our study, because at this moment you may lose your composure to study. Many students I am seeing, they are very frustrated or they are feeling so dull. So please remember one thing: you have studied well, in exam time you will be able to recall. So remember Lord Krishna's word, right? That stay in the present and do your duty. And your duty is to study the notes and do the PYQs. Don't think about the future and don't think about the past, what you have done. Right now you have to focus on that thing. Second thing, while studying, when your pace is getting slow because of lot of material, so it's a very common thing. It's a very common thing to get slower at this moment when your mind knows we have to do more. So at that moment I will tell, take a piece of paper, rough piece of paper, and whatever you are studying, just scribble whatever you are studying. Try to remember, just scribble it on the piece of paper, and slowly you will think that your now mind is getting peace, right? It is coming in terms with the situation, and you are able to recall those things also, because writing will be giving you a very good it is a very good support to improve your memory. So do this. And the most important thing in these 3 4 days, the mental strength. Please remember, you don't ignore it. Mental strength is a very, very important thing, and it is going to create a great difference during exam time. So stay positive, keep saying good thing to yourself, keep patting on your back that I will do good, and definitely you will shine in your exam. My best wishes to all of you.